What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hype a video on YouTube. So I'm gonna open up the YouTube app here on my phone, and here is a video guys. And let's say you're watching any video. It doesn't matter what video you're currently watching on YouTube. Let's say this is a video of myself. I'm gonna mute this right now so that it doesn't affect the video. But once you have a video that you want to hype, just go ahead and swipe down. As you can see, you can swipe across, and while you swipe it across, you will see the option to hide the video. Right, so here is, for example, this one is super thanks, but let me go ahead and see if I find another video here. And as you can see here in this video particular, I'm swiping across, and here is the hype button, and so you can hype it. So just keep in mind that you can only hype videos using your mobile phone. This feature does not work on the computer, so you can only do it through the mobile. And so you'll have the icon here for hype, and you can hype the video. So this is how you can actually do it. So if you're watching your favorite creators, guys, you will be able to hype videos from your favorite creators when you find those videos on their channel. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.